Hey Shanks 852, you asked if cardio would burn muscle. So, this is a big question that tons of people are confused about. And in my earlier days, I thought, I can't do cardio. If I want to put on muscle, if I want to get jacked, I can't do cardio. You know, and as I've grown in the health and fitness industry and I've learned more, cardio is essential for the heart. Above and beyond everything else, you know, the heart's a muscle, the heart's something that you got to take care of also from a nutritional standpoint, you know, what you put in your body, but also from a training standpoint. You got to train the cardiovascular system. I've adopted the concept and philosophy that cardio is meant to be done all year round to keep you active, to keep you in shape. Like if I want to go for a run, if I want to feel like I can do this, I'm going to be able to do it all year long. Not just when I'm not bulk, when I'm not cutting or things along those lines. It speaks to being an active individual. It speaks to focusing on the heart. And it speaks to training your cardiovascular system. And of course, the stamina that comes with cardiovascular training, that also seeps over into your weight training. And it helps with some strength gains also. So I definitely recommend trying to do cardio year long and just manipulating the amounts based on what's going on in your life. Thanks a lot.